Hey, and welcome to Buck's Kitchen. I'm Buck and this is my kitchen. Today I am cooking baby back ribs. Baby back ribs don't have to be hard. And I'm going to show you an easy, foolproof way to make juicy, flavorful, perfect baby back ribs. So stay tuned. First thing you're going to want to do is get yourself a cookie sheet. And once you have the cookie sheet, you're going to want to take your ribs and lay them down on the cookie sheet. The next thing you're going to want to do is pour just a little bit of apple cider vinegar on either side of the ribs, and that is going to be your moisture because we're going to basically steam these ribs in the oven. Next thing you're going to want to do is cover it with some aluminum foil. You're going to want to get a seal very tight around the cookie sheet, trapping that apple cider vinegar and all that steam while it cooks inside that aluminum foil. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're going to slide them on the bottom rack in the oven for 75 minutes, which is 1 hour and 15 minutes. After an hour and 15 minutes, you're going to take it out of the oven and then bring it out to the barbecue to get a little color. When they come out of the oven, they're going to be cooked, they're going to be juicy, and they're going to be perfect, other than they're not going to have any color. In order to bring a little extra flavor and make them look a little bit prettier, we're going to bring them out to the barbecue and we're just going to put them down on an open flame and bring that color, bring those ribs to life. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your ribs out to the barbecue after it's preheated and put the meat side down on the grates. And I close the lid just for a couple of minutes, just to give it a little bit of color. I flipped them back over, and that's when I basted them. You don't want to put any barbecue sauce on until you've put it down on the grill and get a little color on the meat already. Once there's meat color on the meat and you flip them over, start painting that barbecue sauce on. Once you get that barbecue sauce painted on, flip them back over and let the flames caramelize that barbecue sauce right onto the meat. You're putting them down on the grill, you're getting a little color, you're flipping them back, you're painting on your barbecue sauce, and then you're flipping them a couple more times just to caramelize that barbecue sauce. And that's it. Do that a couple times, pull them off the barbecue, bring them inside, let them cool for a minute or two, just so you can grab them, break them off the bone, and you're gonna have yourself perfect, juicy, flavorful, easy baby back ribs. And that's all there is to it. You follow those steps and I guarantee every time you're gonna have perfect ribs. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Looky at this right here. All right, so as you can see, they've come off the grill. They have a beautiful caramelization from the barbecue sauce. When I pick them up and they flex like this, oh, that means they're tender and cooked completely through. Easiest way to make ribs without a smoker. Let's see now. That's really good. Watch this. See how that just pulls apart like that? That's nice. They're really hot. Look at that just going apart. Look at that. So they're just falling apart. cut them between the ribs. I'm gonna put a little bit more sauce on there, please. Oof. That's good ribs. And there you have it. The easiest ribs to make. Less than 2 hours. Start to finish. Tender, juicy, and flavorful. I'm Buck. This is my kitchen. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next cook.